Hi guys, it's your girl Yammy. And guess what? My Christmas present came. I haven't opened it yet. I figured I was going to wait for you guys so you can see my Christmas present. I'm excited. You ready to see this? I am. Let's go. Now, if you guys don't remember, this was the flower bag Boo bought me for Christmas. I posted a picture. I thought it wasn't going to come until next month, but it came today. Ready? Oh, how cute! Okay, you ready? 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 Okay. It's a little flower. One is a regular zipper and the other one's the flower. Look at that. Oh, okay, let's see what's in here. We'll go with this one. Hey, don't be jealous. It's, oh, wait till you see the lining. Oh my goodness. Okay. You gotta see the lining on this part. That's another country hers from. Gotta watch out for those. Alright, you ready for the lining? Yeah. They're flowers. There are a bunch of little flowers all over. And there's flowers there too. A flower with a butterfly. Isn't that cute? Mm-hmm. Y'all look, I forgot about that. Mm-hmm. And then look at this. Oh, it comes off. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. Obi, it feels like your tail. He's like, whatever. Oh. Oh, there's the Loungefly. Oh my goodness. But look at that tail hanging there. That's the cutest tail ever. I like that. I like that it comes off too. Well, you know, hand sanitizer and the tail would have to go together. You gotta get the hand sanitizer. Wait a minute. I need a new thing then, because I got a mermaid hand sanitizer. Gotta get something new to go along on the bag. But we're going to the park on Monday. So can you guess what bag I'll be using on Monday? That's right. I'm going to have my flower. And there is a zipper on the inside and a zipper on the out. But no pockets on the side. I'm okay with no pockets on the side. Even though that was kind of good to have for your phone. But I like this pocket better than my orange bird. How the pocket's inside, it's really hard to get into. This, you can at least pull open and get inside. Oh, am I never? Yeah, something about Loungefly and their linings and their zippers. They always do something so cool. But I like the flower. It's the same flower that's right there. Oh, I am so happy. Isn't it cute? We got this bag from Under the Sea Collectibles. I'm going to put their information down below so you can go on their site and check out their bags. And so you can find them on Facebook and Instagram, but it's Under the Sea Collectibles. And go find you a bag. Okay. If you get one, make sure you comment and tell me what bag you get. This is my new favorite. Okay. Bye.
Bye. No flowers were harmed by making this video. Thank you.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.